guys, today I met this really cool new vending machine, and it's called The Awesome, and it only requires $1 but only takes quarters. Okay guys, so I have a $1 coin here, and if I put it in here, it does not even fit. So if I put in a dime, it just slides out like that from the rejection hole. In fact, and if you didn't hear me, that is a dime. And it does do the same thing with nickels. I just don't have one right now, but I also have a penny, and the same thing happens. But then if I try a quarter, I put it through, and it should not come out. I'll show you where it went. It actually went in the back, right here, where that's where all the quarters are supposed to go. And then I'm going to show you how to get the prize. Now, once that you've entered $1, here's what you do. Actually, I have not entered $1, so let me do that. Let me show you guys. So that's 1. That's 2, that's 3, and that's 4. And then they're all in the machine. So then you're gonna pull this, and then you're gonna put it back, and then the prize will be right here. And I got a 3D printed. I don't know what the name of this dinosaur is called, but I know I 3D printed it, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, bye.